Hi there, handbaggers, and welcome to the Duck's Nest. This is the military mom coming to you from the Operations Center, and I am going to film this unboxing before I go to church, and I wanted to explain why Sonja Covington is involved with this unboxing. So a couple of months ago, I was contemplating a purchase, which was a logo lock satchel. So I reached out to my tribe sisters, and Sonja, as you all probably know who follow her channel, she loves the logo lock satchel. So she was giving me some feedback, and she even did a video, and I really appreciate it. I just still could not bring myself to pull the trigger on the logo lock satchel. However, what Sonja did help me determine was a bag that I actually liked, that is along the same lines as the logo lock satchel, but not quite. So let me just get to the unboxing so that you all can see what I'm talking about. And Sonja, I really appreciate your input, your support, and you helped me make my decision. So here is the bag that I decided worked a little better for me than the logo lock satchel. It is a purchase I made from eBay. And I may have the bag upside down. I think I do. So here's how the seller packaged it. And I'm trying to find the front. Here's the front of the bag. So this, I was able to score NWT, and it is the Dooney and Bourke small double handle tote. And this ostrich texture, you all know anytime I purchase from eBay, the corners are the first thing I look at. Even though the sellers say NWT, you can always tell by the corners. So the corners have no wear at all. Can you all see that? And this bag has what I call a slide lock. I don't know the official name. I call it a slide lock because it's really easy to operate. And I just thought the color combination on this bag, the ease of the slide lock, the structure, the texture, the color, the size just was perfect for me. And Sonja helped me come to that conclusion. So I'm going to show you all the tag, because this bag in the Ostrich collection, I believe, is currently available on the .com. I don't think it's on iLove. I think it's on the Dooney.com website. Can you all see that? And of course, I did not pay that for this bag. My price for this small double handle tote was $117. So let's look at the interior really quickly. Here's the hang tag. And it comes with the shoulder strap, and you can see all of the original, the sticker, the registration card. It does have a center zip, but in this satchel, the center zip just really works well. So you will see the dust bag that the seller provided, and there are 3 slip compartments on one wall. One of them is collared in leather, And then here's the center zip. And the fabric, can you all see that? Is that bird's eye twill. And it makes for a very structured center zip that does not collapse. The center zip is collared in the beautiful teal ostrich. The zipper is not collared in teal. But this bag is just perfect for military mom style. I love it. And the trim is appears to be brown tmoro. I'm not sure. I'm saying that from experience, but it was not on the description that the seller provided. So you'll see at the top, the bag is collared in leather. And I do not have the dimensions, and I would have measured it on camera for you all, but when my grandchild was here, yeah, my tape measure disappeared. So I have no way to measure this for you, but I believe this is about 4 or 5 inches in depth and probably about 9 or 10 inches in length and maybe about 7 inches in height. That is totally just eyeballing the size of this bag. So I am so happy. I think I'm much happier with this than I would have been with the logo lock, but had Sonja not supported me in that decision, I don't think I would have looked until I found this bag. So Sonja, shout out to you. Thank you so much for your help. And I love this bag so much that I have 2 of them. Actually, this was the first one I purchased. The one I just unboxed is the second. So this one is in my beloved Dooney and Bourke signature. This is the tone on tone. And there's a story behind this bag that I'll share in another video. But I wanted to just come on really quickly and show you that I enjoyed this bag so much that I went and purchased a second one. So here are my 2 Dooney and Bourke small double-handled totes, one in jacquard signature and one in ostrich. And just before I wrap up, I wanted to give a shout out to Rosalind Ellis, because Rosalind introduced me to the pool noodles from the Dollar Tree, and I have purchased several and cut them down to size, and they are used as bag shapers. And these bags are very structured. They don't really need bag shapers, but I have done this for illustrative purposes. So those of you who are searching for bag shapers may want to consider going to the Dollar Tree, buying some pool noodles and cutting them down and inserting them as bag shapers. All right, that is all I have in this video. Thank you all so much for watching, and as always, happy carrying.